Hey everyone, it's Jason Pannone, Head of Reference and Cultural Assets Manager here at the East Hartford Public Library. In this video, I am going to go over a new resource that we have at the library. We have it through the State Library. It's called EBSCO Job and Career Accelerator in Computer Skills. Basically, it's just like Job Now and some other sites that we have access to, in that you can log in and get help with resumes, job searching, career exploration, and even improve your computer skills. So with that, I'm going to, we'll get there and we'll show you how to get there from our site, and we'll take a spin through it. So a couple of places you can get to it. You can either go to, first of all, make sure to go to our website, obviously, which is right here. And then there's two places. We've got it in two places listed. It could be in either digital resources or workforce resources. I'm going to click on workforce resources only because I want to let you know about, if you haven't already taken a look at this, you should check out all of these excellent resources that we've put together for you that are available to you. So if you click on this link for EBSCO Job and Career Accelerator in Computer Skills, you'll be taken to this website right here. And you can see right here, you've got two choices, the Job and Career Accelerator and the Computer Skills Center. I'm going to start off at Job and Career Accelerator and just take a quick look at what they've got for offerings here. Now you can see resumes, job letters, career match, all the rest of this good stuff. How to prepare for an interview, career books and e-library, 13 ebooks here that you can check out. But notice that you have to sign in or register. This is free, but the trick is you have to go through our website, otherwise you won't be able to log in. So, with that in mind, I have not registered myself. So you just click on that button, and when you go through this link, you'll have that. So once you do that, just go ahead and get registered and go from there. So I am going to go get myself registered, and then I will be back to show you how to get through all this other stuff. So see you in a few. All right, now that I've got my account set and logged in, I can now download these ebooks that you can see here. So, oops, I just clicked on this one. Social Networking for Business Success. And you'll see it downloads as a PDF down here. And there you go. You have access to this entire book, all 400 pages. And you can read it on your device as you see fit. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to close that. And let's look at some of the other books that we have here. Becoming a Teacher, Becoming a Caseworker, Culinary Arts Professional, Becoming a Nurse, Career Changers Manual, Best Careers for Teachers. Lots of good stuff here that you can check out. Now, if we go home, let's check out some of these other things here. I know that a lot of you guys like to build create resumes and job letters. And let's see what that looks like. This is my first time using it, so we're going to give it a whirl. There you go. Let's just say we want to create a new resume. I'm going to call it Jason's Resume. Let's say experienced library professional resume. Job category, usually I go to, let's see, where is education? Education and training. And I am an experienced job seeker because I have been doing this for a while. I do not have any of these things, so I'm going to start building my resume. And as you can see here, there's all sorts of things. All you have to do basically is just click and add. So let's add a skill. Let's say expert knowledge of Microsoft Office, and save it. There we go. So you can see right there, it's now added. And then I can go ahead and add all sorts of other information to it. There are also resume samples. So if you want to, let's see, technical recent college librarian, no, I've been out of college for a while. Let's see, interesting that they want me as an enrollment admissions count coordinator. But let's go mid-level job seeker librarian. And look at this. Here's a resume right here from Arthur Mattingly. A little bit about where he did it, his education, skills, software, where he belongs, and then you can add that and then tweak it as you want. All of this is fully editable, and then when you are done, you can save it, and then you can download it and print it. This is truly free. This is not one of those gags where you find it like, oh, it's a free resume builder, and then they want to charge you $14.95 to download your resume. This is completely free. So this is for you. Great stuff here. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to go back to home. So you can see quite a bit there that, if you're looking to prepare for an interview, that can be very nerve-wracking. Things like how to do tutorials, how to interview with confidence, networking letters, things like that. So there's lots of great job stuff here. And then I will show you for the last part, computer skills. This is pretty basic stuff, but some of it gets kind of advanced. So here's basic stuff with computer basics, just getting to know your computer. If you don't know how to use your computer, here's PC basics, just learning things like terminology. How do you actually use the computer to get it to do what you want it to do if you've never used them before? And it tells you how long it will take. This one is a little longer, 40 minutes. This one is about just over 18 minutes. But then it gets into a little things like popular software tools. So we get into Excel, Access, PowerPoint, up to the current versions of these for PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. There's Outlook, Office, OneDrive, SharePoint. Most often you'll probably be asked if you know Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Some of these other ones are a little more advanced, and I wouldn't worry so much about them. If you really want to get into learning computer graphics and illustration, Photoshop and Illustrator, good to know. And then understanding your operating system. This only has Windows, but it has the last 3 versions of Windows in here, 10, 8, and 7. So if you have a PC, this is a good place to go to learn it. If you have a Mac, unfortunately, you're out of luck for the time being. But there are librarians here at the library who know how to use it, and we can show you how. And if you have any questions on how to use this, using operating systems, computers, computer training, how to even use this JobNet, this Learning Express database, just give us a call, 860-290-4330, and we will gladly give you a hand with this. So I hope this has been helpful. This is a great database. I'm really excited that we have access to it, and I hope you get a lot of use out of it with whatever you need, whether it's for job searching or developing your computer skills. So there you go. So we'll see you next time, and until then, keep safe, be well, wear your mask, wash your hands often, practice safe social distancing, and we'll see you later. Bye.